just wanna stay. I just wanna stay in the sun where I'm fine. I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much. But it's fun to fantasize. And all my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was. But it's fun to fantasize. Oh, 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 I'm falling. So I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling. Yes, I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm taking my time on my. Easy to say, we have other people who tell we would take a bullet for them, bullet for you, bullet for everybody in this room. But I don't see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know that. And living it's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight there will be people back home and try talking to you. But you know them still. All this question there for it. Like, would you live for? Would you die for me? Would you ever kill? Oh, oh, oh. I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, oh, oh. Yes, I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm taking my time on my ride. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Yes, I've been thinking too much. Help me, I've been thinking too much. Oh, I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Listen. Oh, 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 I'm falling. Yes, I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, oh, oh. So I'm taking my time on my ride. I'm taking my time on my ride. Listen, no, oh, 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 I'm falling. Says I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, oh, oh. Yes, I'm taking my time on my. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. Help me. I've been thinking too much. Yes, I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me.
All right, and there you had your official introduction to the Sugar Free Touch Band.
What an interesting name.
Well, yeah, and that was a beautiful song there. Of course, we are going to have on set at this time the band vocalist Eiley and Ricardo Valades
Yes.
on the drum set, right? So good morning and welcome. I want to say thank you for being here. And that was a great way to open this segment, right?
Good. Yeah. So tell us about this name, Sugar
Let's
Free
start
Touch.
there. Thank you. Sugar Free Touch.
Yeah, well, actually we have to say that the band itself, it started as, a friendly thing, we live at the same place and well, we wanted to come up with a little funny thing, a little joke. So we came up with first something silly like sugar-free tobacco.
Yeah, actually, a friend of ours just woke up and he dreamt the name.
Like sugar-free.
Yeah, he wanted sugar-free tobacco. He wanted sugar-free tobacco, because it's so the opposite. But then we said, well, none of us actually smokes or anything like that. So let's make it something a little bit more, friendly.
Okay.
So we came up with.
So it wouldn't be a gentle touch. That's what you're saying. You're the opposite of that.
Exactly.
Okay.
Something-
Now
something-
I'm breaking it
Well,
down.
well, then again, sugar-free is something good nowadays. So
True.
everybody wants sugar-free.
True.
So
Oh, you get the
sugar-free,
sweet without what's bad
healthy.
for you.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
I
sorry.
have to touch it, you know.
No, it's a great name, and I gotta say that. Of course, I wanna find out a little bit more about you guys. So you are Kylon.
Kylon,
yeah.
You are studying in Mexico.
Yeah, I'm studying Mexico. I'm studying dentistry,
Okay.
and well.
And so you bump into these
yeah,
guys
because
where?
they're all from the same university.
Okay.
We all go
Okay.
to the same. We're all university students. Actually, and then we just got together because we live at the same area. And afterwards, we started playing. We made a band, and then we started playing in university. And we started doing many different activities, and then we became the official band of,
Yeah.
The campus?
of the official band of the university, Anahuac Mayab in Merida. So, then that built us up a little bit status, and then we started doing a lot of playing. as
So
well.
how involved were you guys individually with music before you started hanging out?
Well, I've played several instruments before, but not like I didn't even take classes,
Yeah.
Okay.
just for hobby. And
Uh-huh.
well, I love listening to music, but that was
That was it.
that was about it.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
you taught yourself to play the drums?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Ah.
yeah. He plays different instruments, many instruments.
Okay.
I just play the guitar. I want to learn more.
You're good. You're both good.
Thank you. And then
You all are good.
she-
She knows more about music than I do.
Okay.
I'm learning the drums actually.
Yeah.
Nice. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I just do guitar, and then I recently started singing. Just getting in the band. I said, well, we're gonna need a singer, so I started practicing, and after a while, just get the hang of it. But then it just came kind of naturally.
So tell us about your repertoire. What kind of music do you mostly do?
We have reggae music
Okay.
and rock music, alternative, kind of alternative, but also we've got some pop songs.
Yeah, we do like pop and well, we
Pretty much recent stuff.
Recent.
Yeah.
the
So you
modern
do mostly
kinda-
covers.
Yeah, mostly covers.
For now.
Yeah, we do have a original song.
Which
actually.
we'll get to hear today.
Yes, we
Exciting.
will.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a song. I wrote the lyrics and put in some rhythm, and these guys put in their talent into it. It's called Sailing.
Okay.
It has a different genre from what we
What we
usually
usually
play,
Okay.
and it's a little bit more Caribbean style.
Okay.
So and it's a nice little story behind it.
Okay.
I don't know if you want me to.
Caribbean style. Are we
Yeah.
talking reggae, dancehall, soca?
Yeah, I know. It's
Oh,
more
those
like
things.
soca kind of. It's more,
Wow, okay.
yeah, it's more like soca kind of danceable song.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. Yeah. You guys have to learn to play some punta too. I mean, at least in Chetomal and nearer to the coast, people are listening to Super G everywhere. Yeah.
So yes, that's,
true.
So you got to take it to Merida now.
yeah.
So we heard you play 21 Pilots just now.
Yeah,
Tell us about some of the bands that you like that influence your band.
Okay, that's like we have very different
Taste?
Really?
That's something. It's,
Okay.
Really? So okay, tell us about the individual band members. So you have let's start with Victor and William, who didn't get a chance to
Okay.
come on set.
Well,
Victor was
You too.
William was on the piano.
I'll do William. He could do Victor.
Okay, I'll start.
Well, William, I met him because he studies dentistry with me.
Okay.
He
Okay.
studies the same thing, and we're in class. We have classes together. He's been playing piano since he was 5. He's the one who has most time doing with his instrument. He plays very well. He's very.
Yes, he
I
does.
believe like the most talented when it comes to his instrument. He really has a lot of study doing with that. And one day I just met up with him at the school and said, "Hey, let's get together and do something." And then I actually invited him to play with us. And then he's like, "Okay, we want to start a band. What do you think?" And he wasn't really up to it at first because he's a classical pianist. So, but now recently he's getting into the rock music. We're playing the
pop,
reggae,
the more
the pop,
modern.
everything that
Yeah.
we're doing. He's just adapting and
That's
getting
great.
Yeah.
about Victor.
Well, I met him where we live, and I told him, "Hey, let's be roomies." Now I share an apartment. Apartment with him, and he's pretty good at playing music. He's most hearing. He's a good listener, and he plays most songs by ear.
Yeah, and he also composes
instrumental like epic music, like
Like
soundtrack
scores?
scores,
Nice,
music scores.
Nice, like Danny Elfman.
Yeah, he's into it, and he makes pretty
very good
compositions.
Nice.
He doesn't have big system or anything, but with a one simple computer, he does
Oh,
everything.
all you need is a computer
Very
nowadays.
Yeah, very
all
got
you
a-
need.
got a
And
computer.
creativity.
Yeah, he just have a lot of creativity. So like, I believe like with all the members, with their different talents, with
You all
different
have something
ideas,
to
we
contribute.
make this
Very unique
I
little
believe,
sugar-free thing.
sugar-free touch band.
So how long have you been together?
For January, actually,
Since
started.
January.
So you're
Oh,
just
wow.
approaching 1
Yes.
year, and you
Yeah,
went
right.
from let's get together and play to being the official university band.
Yes.
Nice.
We actually.
It's a great accomplishment in 1 year. Yeah.
Yes, it is. One of our greatest things that actually made us a band itself was we entered a competition, a Battle of the Band competition. We came in second place, and then we got to play at a huge stadium where a huge coliseum actually, where very famous people come to play. We use great instruments, and then I believe that that's one of the moments that actually puts something into us that we really want to continue doing this.
So what does this mean? You guys are all university students. You obviously have your career. What are you studying?
Communications.
Communications. So you all have your particular careers that you have in mind, and now you're 1 year into this band. Does this become a secondary hobby, or does school become the backup plan?
It's looking very serious. We don't maybe we don't really talk about it. Like, hey, let's make something. Let's become the new Coldplay, or let's become the new.
I was thinking that because they all met at university at Coldplay.
Well, I believe every band have that at the start. You never actually plan to do something, And I
so
believe
for now, band is hobby.
We're just letting it flow.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're doing it.
I won't force you into
That's a good
that.
mindset. That's a good mindset.
But I think it's great. I mean, school can be a backup plan too. There's nothing.
Yeah, I mean, yes. I mean, we all have our careers. We all have what
Yeah.
we want to do. I wanted to be a dentist and come back in my hometown and do.
You could be a
dental work.
singing dentist. Sing when you
Musical
You
dentist.
can fix teeth when you're not touring, right? But let's talk about the decision to come here to Belize.
Okay, that's yours.
Yes.
That started.
I mean, obviously, you guys are in Merida, right?
Yeah, in
And
Merida.
you
That
tell
started-
them come to paradise and they come, right?
Yeah, well, it was a whole idea. It started with an invitation that we received actually from the Open Your Eyes show. They saw a cover that we made of Night Nurse. We made a reggae cover, Night Nurse. It came out really nice. We didn't really plan for anything to be, and then it got a lot of views. It got a lot of likes on Facebook, and then that's when we received the message. Hey, when you guys are coming over here to do anything, why don't you just stop by at the Open Your Eyes? And then from then, that moment, I'm like, I'm gonna plan something nice. So I told the guys, look, I'm planning something nice. I want to do a little like a mini tour to show you guys the place and go to different places to play. And then afterwards, I started calling up people and say, hey, I need help, I need sponsors. And we got help from places that we're staying at the Wild Orchid. They just donated that.
Oh, fantastic.
And then the other businesses, Barefoot, allowed us to play Tipsy Tuna, La Cabana, and they'd say, okay, you guys can come along and play what you like to play, and so that's what.
Great.
And then we have a little schedule for this whole week of where we're gonna play and.
So you'll
what
get
we're
to
doing.
tour and play.
And then,
Are you
yes.
guys heading out to San Pedro as well?
Well, I don't think you get enough time
I
to do
don't
that.
think time let us.
No, but
Next time.
they did get to
Next
see
time.
Placencia. That's where we're
Yeah,
staying.
yeah.
So, I wanted to show them where I live too. So they got to know that. They went out to the Keys, and yesterday we were from the. I don't
We
know.
went fishing.
You went fishing. Oh,
yeah.
so you're
Nice,
getting a good dose of.
So also, the idea was doing a musical thing, doing something that we like, but also showing my friends, because at the end of the day, they're all friends. You're great friends, close friends of mine. So I want to show them, my country, and I think that's. Well, that was basically the idea, and that's what brought us here. That whole idea that I had, and the invitation that just started out.
When he sets his mind into something, he just it has to do it.
So you were discovered by the producer of Open Your Eyes for Belize. For Belize, you're big timers at your university, right?
But tips, like for young artists who are interested in starting a band, but they have really flaky friends. Okay. What are things that you want to encourage them?
It sounds like a personal experience of hers, doesn't it?
It's true.
Well, I would say
Just do it.
yeah, just do it exactly. But try to stick with people that really want to do it. You know, if you see nobody is really interested as you, they won't take you anywhere. You can't get anywhere with them. You gotta look for people that motivate you. Like these guys, their talent actually motivate me to want to learn more, want to take classes, want to get better, and that's actually
not just that. You have to share interest, because if there's not a tight connection between them, because that's really important.
Yeah, there have to be a friendship.
Yeah,
a strong friendship, because I'm very sure it's not always happy days.
Well, there's a little
when you're
rough
planning
time,
shows or
I was stressed out 5 hours ago.
Yeah.
You were.
Well, we had to drive all the way from Placencia, so that it was a pretty tough thing.
Oh, okay. But you guys, I mean, you're very talented, obviously, and it's recognized within your school, and we hope that the Belizeans who get to see you here will recognize the talent and bring you back as well, right?
That'd be wonderful.
For the best.
So we get to hear the original song, Sailing,
The very first time.
for the very first time.
Yes,
So what have you
presentation.
learned about playing Caribbean music?
I've actually trying to learn more, because I'm just improvising. Okay, this sounds well here.
Yeah.
I'll play the cymbals here. Let's place everything randomly and let's see how it sounds.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm usually one to. It sounds good. I mean, I really trust in their talent. You know, it's like whatever you want. That sounds great to me. I approve. Go ahead.
So we're now going to venture into more original music.
Yeah, well,
that's the plan.
It's the first one came out great, so let's why not make more? And then it's ours to be able to play something that's yours. It feels really nice.
There's nothing like.
And then there's no way to barely any way to make mistakes, because it's your thing. You're doing it.
And how I said, we probably won't stick to only one genre, because he likes Caribbean reggae music style. I'm more like a rock guy, and so we're all messed up.
Different things.
Yeah.
So
The band you guys
And
cover
William
is a
will
good
take you all
example
into
of
some
that.
classical.
Yeah.
We have a great fusion coming out of this,
Yeah, probably.
That's your unique gift right there.
Maybe more public. Maybe we could get more public.
All right. Do you guys have a Facebook page that people
We
can
do.
follow you guys
We do
and
have a
find
Facebook
out?
page, Sugar Free Touch. You can find us there. We're posting the events that we'll be doing.
Sugar
this
Free
week.
Touch. We got to tell people those aren't diabetes strips or something like that, right? But it is such a unique name, and I love the fact that you head off to university to pursue your career and your own dream, and you discover something else along the line, because that's the fascinating thing in life, that you just never know where it's going to take you. So we get to see your original song called Sailing. Right. Before you head over there to start your performance, which we'll do in just a bit, just give us a quick rundown as to where you'll be for the rest of the week.
Okay.
Oh, well, the schedule is Thursday. We'll be playing at Barefoot.
Okay.
In Placencia.
Thursday night, right?
Yeah, Thursday night at 5. From 5 until we keep running out. And then Friday we go over to La Cabana.
Friday morning?
Friday night. Friday night at 8.
Okay.
And then we close off the last presentation on Tipsy Tuna Saturday night. And then, the guys have to head back
We'll be off on Sunday.
Okay.
So that's the little agenda that we have. And then we had the first days to just give a little tour and
relax.
Know the place. So those are the three.
Well, when you come back to Belize again, we hope you'll be willing to stop by and grace us with your presence. With whatever new original songs you're doing then.
Well, we're hoping for another invitation, because that's what brought this
All right. Well, thank you very much. Let's go ahead, and we are going to hear. Go ahead. Sailing by Sugar Free Touch. And once again, of course, these are university students. They're based in Merida. They came down this week to be able to showcase their music to you, and will be in selected locations throughout Belize. Find them on Facebook, and you can get that schedule. It'll be in Placencia and Cayo.
In Placencia.
Okay, in Placencia, all right. So do be sure to check them out if you're in the neighborhood, or make a trip over the weekend and go ahead and visit. They're going to play their original song called Sailing. This is where Kylan introduces his Caribbean flavor into the band. And once they're done with that performance, we'll take a break and we'll be back after that. Take it away, guys.
Sailing for